Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 8 Best Homemade Natural Skin Cream. Skin care products have come a long way from the products our mothers and grandmothers used decades ago. Today, skincare products are infused with chemicals and ingredients researchers believe will help us to look younger longer and correct many of the facial skin conditions from which we suffer. However, in an era when products are beginning to incorporate more green ingredients, skincare regimens seem to be going in the opposite direction. Here are a few of the things that can be done at home using natural products to develop a skincare routine that will both help your skin and decrease the amount of chemicals you use. All skincare regimens include an exfoliation. This is a process in which the dead skin cells sitting on the top layer of the skin are eliminated. This skin is the largest organ of the elimination and the second largest organ in the entire body. Using an exfoliation process over the face and the rest of the body allows the skin to detoxify, eliminate greater numbers of waste and look and feel its best. There are a couple methods of exfoliation that can be used that help to eliminate dried dead skin cells. The first process should be used only over the body and not over the face because it is too rough for use over the tender skin on the face. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw sea salt with olive oil to form a paste. Step into a steaming hot shower for 5 minutes to allow the pores to open. Shut the shower off and using these salt and oil paste to exfoliate, scrub all parts of the body except the face. Now stand in a steaming hot shower for another 5 minutes before finally rinsing off salt and oil. This process leaves your skin feeling smooth and soft. You can also try a dry brushed exfoliation that is done in the morning prior to showering. Use a soft, natural bristle brush that you brush lightly over your body prior to getting into the shower where the dead skin cells will be washed away down the drain. This gentle pressure is often come into the nervous system and will improve lymph system and blood circulation in the extremities. Natural skincare begins from the inside out. Your skin is a natural reflection of a good digestive system that is balanced between good and bad bacteria. Some of the easy ways of helping to improve your digestive system is to drink plenty of water each day, which helps to eliminate waste products and prevents constipation. Most people also lack fiber in their diet, getting only an average of 12 grams a day when the recommended number runs between 25 and 38 grams depending upon sex and age. Add fiber by increasing the amount of whole grains you eat over refined white flour. Have an apple as a snack. Choose high-fiber snacks such as seeds and dried fruits and increase the number of beans and legumes in your diet. Inactivity can also affect the skin and promote acne, cellulite and a loss of muscle tone. If you spend your days sitting at a desk in your office, be sure you get a distraction. Move at least every hour. Take a quick break and go for a walk around the block. Stretch at the side of your desk for 5 minutes every hour. Get a jump rope and use it for 15 minutes every day and try to incorporate time at the gym. Sugar is another cause of premature aging. The more we eat, the more damage done to the protein molecules, which in turn damages collagen, cartilage and ligaments. Incorporating essential fatty acids are another way of improving your skin from the inside and out. Because our skin actually acts more as a sponge than a barrier, we have the capability of absorbing nearly 130 different chemicals. Cosmetic companies in the Food and Drug Administration believed that these chemicals are safe, at least in small doses. But when you consider that the average woman will ingest as much as 4 pounds of lipstick in her lifetime, you come to understand how a little dab of lipstick here in a quick spray of hairspray there begins to add up. Almost 90% of the over 10,000 different cosmetics and skincare ingredients known in the United States have not been evaluated for safety. To be fair, no research has definitively linked terminal illness with mascara or body wash, but using complex chemicals with potential unknown side effects often leads individuals to err on the side of safety. Interestingly, more than 1,100 personal product ingredients have been banned for use in Europe because of the concerns they have regarding cancer, birth defects and reproductive issues. By contrast, only 10 of these have been banned in the United States. If you would like to make some natural skin creams at home, here are a couple of suggestions. Natural skin cream number 1. Almonds have an incredible amount of nutrients that feed our body when given the chance. Because our skin is a sponge and can absorb these nutrients from the outside, it's helpful to use these in skin preparations. Make a paste of almonds with mild cream and fresh rosebud paste. You can apply it over the face daily, which will help to bleach the skin and nourish it. Regular application helps to prevent the appearance of wrinkles, blackheads, dry skin and pimples. Natural skin cream number 2. Almond oil can also be mixed with ½ teaspoon of milk cream and lime juice and applied over the face every night before going to bed to help improve rough and dried complexions. Natural skin cream number 3. Yogurt is another product purchased at the grocery store which works well to help improve skincare. It can be applied to the face every morning and washed off after a few minutes with cold water. It helps to keep the complexion smooth and healthy and, when mixed with lemon juice, is ideal for softening hands. A mask of lentils and yogurt will help to cleanse the skin. Let it dry over the face and when complete, remove it with fingertips and cleanse with warm water. Natural skin cream number 4. A mixture of 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil and 2 drops of vitamin E oil with 2 tablespoons of mashed strawberries should be shaken well and stored in a jar in the refrigerator. This is a wonderful herbal moisturizer for your face. Natural skin cream number 5. If you enjoy the smell of bananas, then mash and beat ½ a banana with 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Natural skin cream number 6. If you prefer a cream-based moisturizer, you can make one yourself at home by taking 3 tablespoons of wheat germ oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 ounce of witch hazel, 1 ounce of glycerin and 1/2 ounce of rosewater. Mix this and blend it together until it becomes a cream. Store it in a jar and use it as needed. Natural skin cream number 7. If your face needs an additional moisturizing mask, you can mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 2 tablespoons of milk and beat them to make a smooth paste. Leave it on your face and neck for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Natural skin cream number 8. The vitamins and minerals that are available to us in the fruits and vegetables which we grow in our gardens and come from the grocery stores are much better for our face and skin than the chemicals manufactured in the lab. When you can take the extra few minutes to produce these products yourself at home, you give yourself the added advantage of reducing your chemical load and potentially preventing future illnesses. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up and share with your friends. If you need help putting these cool ideas to work, please get in touch or leave a comment. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.